Aloha guys, welcome to another After Effects tutorial. My name is Jayla Scanlon. Today we're going to be looking at previewing, scrubbing through our footage, and using our RAM preview. So let's get started. Right now I have the contents that we downloaded from the folders, or from the content page that we have in the IDD 347 course. We have our image, we have our footage, and we have our audio. And so we're going to just show you briefly how to scrub through and how to preview your footage so you know what is actually going on. So let's begin. Well, first we're going to click, hold, and drag on our footage, and we're going to drag it down to the new composition button. When you release, it creates our new composition, and you can tell by looking here on the project panel, and you can see that our new composition has been created. Now we have our timeline, and scrubbing through just means that you're scrubbing through. So you're just doing frame by frame, just watching the footage. And so this helps with being able to know what you're actually going to be working with. As you can see, the quality is not as great, but that's because we are at a low resolution. So if we change that to 4, as you can see, it's smoothed out, it looks a lot cleaner. This footage is about 7 seconds long, so as you can see, you can go back and forth and make edits when you need to. So that's one way of previewing, just click, holding, and dragging this little line through the timeline. The other way is just hitting the space button on the keyboard, and it will actually play through your footage so you can preview and see what it looks like. As you can see, it kind of looks slow at the beginning, and the reason being is because it's rendering it out. What rendering means is it's scrubbing through each frame until it has been saved or uploaded. So when you see this green strip, it means that it has been uploaded and ready to preview in full speed or in real time. Now the final thing we want to cover is our RAM preview. And the RAM preview, what that does is it previews every element that is or every element that's within your video. So if this video has any audio, the RAM preview will play back your footage with everything intact. One thing to remember, a disclaimer I guess, is if you have a video that has a lot of different elements, a lot of effects, a lot of different audio in the background or what have you, whatever you change, if it's pretty jam-packed, you'll find that your RAM preview will not preview the whole footage. It may do maybe a few seconds in, depending on how much edits you've done to your video. But we're going to try that now by just clicking on the right here. It's in the controls, time controls panel. Just click, and so you can kind of hear there's some sound with that, and that's what the RAM preview allows you to do. It's good for if you're wanting to synchronize music to, say, text or just to, some footage. You can hear everything through the RAM preview. And that's it from this for this tutorial. My name is Jayla Scanlon. Feel free to drop any questions if you need to, and we look forward to learning more in the next tutorial.